बैटरी एनर्जी स्टोरेज सिस्टम पाकिस्तान की जरूरत बन चुका है। उसकी वजह यह है कि लोड शेडिंग से हम लोग बहुत परेशान हैं। जब लोड शेडिंग होती है तो अगर हमारे घर में ऑन ग्रिड सोलर सिस्टम लगे हैं तो वो भी फेल हो जाते हैं, क्योंकि ना हम वापदा से इलेक्ट्रिसिटी ले सकते हैं और ना ही उनको सेल कर सकते हैं, ना उनको दे सकते हैं। ऐसी कंडीशन में जहां पर लोड शेडिंग बहुत ज्यादा हो, हर 2-3 घंटे के बाद लोड शेडिंग हो रही हो, तो वहां पर ऑन ग्रिड सिस्टम बिल्कुल ही फेल हो जाता है। अगर आप अपने ऑन ग्रिड सिस्टम को हाइब्रिड सिस्टम बनाना चाहते हैं, यानी आप चाहते हैं कि एक कोई ऐसी लिथियम बैटरी आप अटैच कर लें और आपका जो सिस्टम घर में लगा हुआ है, इन्वर्टर जो ऑन ग्रिड लगा है वो वैसे ही लगा रहे, सिर्फ एक बैटरी ले ली जाए और इन्वर्टर खरीदना ना पड़े, सिर्फ एक यूनिट खरीदना पड़े और आपकी बैटरी चार्ज हो जाए। और रात को आप क्या करें कि उसी चार्ज बैटरी से आप अपना नेसेसरी जो लोड है, अगर आप एसी चलाना चाहते हैं, आप फ्रिज चलाना चाहते हैं, तो वो आप रात के वक्त चला सकें। अगर आप ये सोल्यूशन चाहते हैं तो इस वीडियो के अंदर मैं आपको वो प्रोडक्ट जो है इंट्रोड्यूस करवाऊंगा।
So this is the Marstek V500, a waterproof solar generator with 500 watt inverter and 2 kilowatt hour battery.
Okay.
Yeah. So this one is IP65, which is waterproof and is a natural cooling without fan. It is exceptional, high reliability and high quality. We offer a 5 years replacement warranty and a 10 years lifespan. This product can be charged from dual source. Number one is the solar panel. Number two is the grid. For solar panel, you can buy any brand, any size solar panel to charge the V500 with the MC4 plug and play. And for grid, you can charge with a plug into the socket and get a 500 watt charging power. Or you can charge at the same time to have a 1 kilowatt charging.
Right.
Yeah.
And second question is, how to order this product? Like many users, they like it and definitely they would like to purchase this product from you. So how to order the product?
The product is readily available in Pakistan. You can buy from our local distributor, Alpine. Okay, they're located in Lahore, and we will share the contact information.
Let's move on to the next product, which is V6000.
Right. This is the Marstek V6000, which is designed specifically for Pakistan, requirement, especially under the new policy of net billing. For the Pakistani family who have already installed the solar. Number one is that you will have the load shedding from time to time, which is a big headache for the daily life. And secondly, because of the shifting from the net metering to net billing, the economic calculation has become worse.
Yes.
Okay, so the V6000 is solving the two problems at the same time. So number one, for example, you have an 8 kilowatt solar panel already installed. Okay, you don't want to sell your electricity to the discos, so instead you want to keep it in your battery. So the V6000 is inbuilt a 15 kilowatt hour battery, which is big enough to carry all the solar generation into the pool. Okay, and number two, in case you feel like the electricity is not enough, the V6000 is providing you the possibility possibility to add another 9 kilowatt solar in addition without a requirement of getting permission from DISCOs, because you can consider as an off-grid consumption. Yeah.
Suppose I have on-grid inverter 10 kilowatt installed at my home.
Yeah.
So I don't need to change the inverter. I don't need to change anything. Like panels are there, wiring is there, everything is there.
Yeah.
Just I have to add this inverter additionally with it.
That's
And
right.
it will help me run my critical load, my heavy load at night time and during load shedding time.
Exactly.
Yes.
You don't have to dismantle your previous inverter. Your previous installed solar panel and inverter will remain working while their AC output will be, charging into the battery. Okay. Yeah. So you don't have to buy an additional hybrid inverter and a battery because everything is built in a single enclosure.
See you next time. Thank you very
It's
much.
my pleasure.
Thank you.
Thank you for coming.